Thermostats should never be placed close to a supply register because it totally messes with how your heating and cooling system works, causing premature shutoff and uneven temperature in your home. So, here's the scoop. When a thermostat is right near a supply register, it gets blasted with hot or cold air straight from the system. That makes it think the whole room is at the perfect temp way before it really is, so it shuts off early. You end up with rooms that feel too hot or too cold, which is super frustrating and wastes energy. The best move is to put your thermostat on an inside wall, away from any direct airflow and sunlight. Make sure it's about 5 feet off the ground for the most accurate reading. If you can, avoid walls that face the street or windows because drafts can trick the sensor. Also, don't hide it behind furniture or curtains that just blocks the air it needs to sense. And if you're not sure where to put it, ask a pro who knows HVAC setups well. That way your system won't run more than it should, saving you money and keeping your home comfy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat placement is putting it too close to supply registers, which causes early heating or cooling shutoff and uneven temperatures. Another common issue is installing thermostats near windows or doors, where drafts or sunlight affect readings and make your system work harder. Lastly, many folks place thermostats too low or too high on walls, which leads to inaccurate temperature sensing because those spots don't reflect the room's average temperature well. Fix these by choosing a spot away from vents, windows, and doors, and position the thermostat at an average height on an interior wall for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about HVAC and other home projects. It also helps contractors find new work by connecting them with people who need their skills, making life easier for both sides.